Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, my dad decided to go get our new baler without me. Yeah, I told him I wanted to go, but I was mowing and he decided to take off without me. He's so rude sometimes, I don't know. So, we got this new baler on the farm. Now we have 4 balers. We have Alice Chalmers Roto baler, which is orange. And then we have our new baler, which is orange. We have our green round baler right there, John Deere 566. And then we have an international little square baler. So I'll give you guys a full overview of our new Alice Chalmers little square baler. It is in nice condition and we didn't have to pay much for it because we found it for a good deal. And there's our international 435 little square baler, our big round John Deere 566 round baler, and my Alice Chalmers Roto baler. All very nice pieces of farm equipment. Alrighty guys, so there's our new Alice Chalmers 443 little square baler. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You'll be seeing more of this little square baler in action. Also, our other balers in action this summer once it dries up and warms up a little bit because the temperature just dropped, but it's spring, so the hay season is right around the corner. So comment down below if you want to see more of our balers in action, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.